Evolution heavy-duty 14 inches metal cutting chop saw with a powerful 15-amp motor and lighter. Pressed steel base. This has all the power you expect but with the portability you need. A chip deflector directs chips away from the operator and reduces cleaning time. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dry cut. Cool to touch. Burr-free cuts. The included premium tungsten carbide-tipped blade for mild steel cutting represents the latest in dry cut technology, significantly outperforming abrasives. Virtually eliminates sparks, cuts your metals squarely and smoothly every time, providing an instantly workable finish. Number 2. Mitre saw 0 to 45 degrees angle capability. Make angle cuts effortlessly. Features a cast steel vise and fence with a quick-release mechanism for safe, accurate, and fast clamping of the workpiece. Number 3. Blades for every material. Easily fit your with Evolution saw blades for any material. We offer a range of mild steel, thin steel, aluminum, and stainless steel cutting blades for every application. Number 4. 3-year warranty. This heavy-duty metal cutting saw is extremely robust and durable, backed by our industry-leading 3-year warranty and friendly US-based customer service team, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.